Yo. You can see my baby naps under here. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a little Q&A. And I have both of my cousins here with me, so stay tuned. And let's get the ball rolling.
Yeah, I was just about to say that. I hate when people text me back, okay? Why'd you even text?
Yeah, I only say K to people like when I'm trying to show them that I'm upset. But then I feel like no one ever gets the picture and they're just like whatever. Oh, I hate when people. I hate that too.
I was gonna say, send me. You see me in person.
Why you need a picture of me?
Okay, if you caught your friend's husband or wife cheating on them, would you tell them?
Yeah, I'm snitching.
I feel like I'm not married. I don't know.
Snitches get stitches.
You know what? No, I'm not gonna tell them because it's none of my business. You don't mix your food?
Eat the rice separate than the soups.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Your friend doesn't like your partner, but needs $200 from getting evicted. You don't have it, but your partner does. What do you do? A, ask your partner to loan you $200. Tell your friend they're out of luck. Or C, tell your partner your friend needs $200.
You're out of luck. You don't even like my partner.
You're out of luck.
Right. I
I'm
agree.
not about to ask for no money from you.
If you don't be that happy. But if it was me, would you guys do it for me though? I'm your family.
Okay, but you don't like my man and my man probably doesn't.
But I'm your cousin though.
Alright,
You better call me Samantha.
Pause. Question. What do you think is harder to find? A man without children. A man that won't cheat. A man that's financially stable. A man without a police record.
Y'all,
A man that's willing to commit.
why have I met every man on this list that hasn't had it right? Got the kid, can't commit, unfaithful, no money, and he has a police record.
Yeah, everything minus the police record for me.
I think it's harder to find a man that won't cheat because I'll take him with a police record, like he can redeem himself. He was a murderer last year, but he's a saved man this year.
I don't know. I can't pick them.
You won $30 million, your spouse was arrested. It costs $29 million to get them out, or they have to do 5 years in jail. Do you get them out, or do you get the money?
He's my husband. I'm gonna bail him out because that's what you're supposed to do for your husband. If he's my boyfriend, sorry baby. You better go get a bail bond, be on good behavior. They get you out early.
It's my boo thing. You're gonna have to take one for the team.
Husband will be $30 million rich when you get out.
Guess what?
Yeah. Yeah. Did you marry a man like your dad? Nah.
No.
Maybe somewhat like him.
No, no.
Minus the bald head. It's 2 questions. Question 1. Do you research people online before dating them?
Yeah, I'm a stalker.
Or during the first date? And 2, what's an appropriate time to wait before you start documenting the relationship? Yeah, I do look them up online.
Do you have a Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat,
Twitter.
First meet a guy, first place I go to, Instagram. Everyone shows up for the gram. Facebook don't got nothing. His mom's on Facebook, his dad's on Facebook. He's lying on Facebook. The best is on Facebook.
The appropriate time to start documenting is either when you are in a relationship with a person, or you guys have like a mutual understanding. I don't think you should start documenting and taking pictures of all that.
I'm not taking pictures with him because obviously I'm gonna be talking to more than one guy, baby.
Wow. Don't document until you're married. How about that? The day of the wedding.
No!
Posting the pictures.
No, let me engage it. I need everybody to know.
Or yeah, when your engagement's
What
complete.
if
I feel like when you're in a relationship, then it's official.
What if I get pregnant? And what if I want his other little side
You
girlfriend to know?
document whenever you're ready.
Yeah, that means the same day.
Would you date someone who treats you like a king/queen, but you're not physically attracted to? I would say yes, only because I feel like there's other qualities in the person that can make you like them. You know, that's a little bit deeper than, you know, their physical appearance.
But if you're not physically attracted, why are you really with them?
So are you saying that looks is like 60-70%?
Looks matter. Physical attraction matters.
So we're gonna be doing it in the dark.
Bruh.
Walk around with him in public, huh? You
Nah,
babe,
like-
stay home.
No, we
Babe,
friends.
just give me the money. I go to the store.
No, we friends till we get married. Oh my god.
A girl says she's hungry while cuddling. The guy should do what? A. Play sleep because that's not his problem. B. Recognize the red flag that she's too needy. C. Get up and see what she has to make. D. Tell her he's hungry too, so the ball is now in her court.
No, what you're gonna do is care about my feelings and get me something to eat.
I think if we're in the bed together, then, you know, shoot, you better care if I'm hungry or not. And I don't agree with any of those. You should be like, babe, what do you want me to order or go, buy for you?
Nah, but
I don't want to wait for anybody to cook.
Okay, yeah, that's what he should do in a perspective as if he was a girl. But if you guys are the guy,
Hey,
I was the guy.
You go fix the whole thing.
Nou pa kande sin di nou fè, Daniel pa tobe, nou pa depi ba.
Je suis déjà fait battre l'autre monde.
Is it not going to rush? Did you get
Your partner gets in a fist fight with their family member. Do you get involved? A. No, I don't do fights. B. Yes, without hesitation. C. No, that's family business. Yes. No, yes. D. Yes, but only if they're losing.
in,
Vou fè yo konsa.
but not to like beat the other person up. I would jump in to break it up.
If my man's losing, I'm coming in, alright? I'm coming in with the 1-2.
Ane kreyon pou tan do, koumen papa nan do.
Souvent,
Ou gran menaj, epi la boume avèk famili, ki sa wap fè? Like, wap rentre nan boume an, ou wap separe, sa wap fè?
Ane sou pou menaj sa ki fami ay la boum. Se pou mette atan. Ou pa ka rentre boum ake.
Se samdi moun yo pa vle tande, mwen di yo
gun,
pa
ou
vle
pa ka
tande.
yon bon repons.
Bon repons mbo. Dim, sou pou menaj ka boum ak fami ni, ki sa ma fè? Mdou ma pantre m separe yo, mwen pa ka boum
She not
ake
say
fami nan.
She lying.
alright,
She
feature
lied.
Rosemean. I mean, not Rosemean. Whoa.
Rosidma.
Rosidma.
Menaj. Menaj da wè ma boum ak fami.
You wait for the title to have sex, then realize your partner craves sex twice as often as you. What do? A. Get help from toys. B. Get help from a volunteer. C. Step up even if you don't always like it. Or D. Leave if you can't tolerate less sex.
So, hold
If
on.
they can't tolerate less sex.
Hold on. But I thought it said you're supposed to wait for your title, like you're waiting for your title.
It says you wait for your title to have sex.
Okay,
So you're the girlfriend now. So say for instance you want to do it once a week and he wants to do it more than that. What do you do? When he wants it, are you going to use toys? Are you going to tell him that, he's free to have sex with other people? Are you going to suck it up and just do it whenever he says he wants them?
No.
Or are you going to tell him, deuces because I can't handle it?
nah, baby, slow your roll.
No. I feel like you got to suck it up.
Really?
No!
Yes.
I can't. So the title is you're married?
No, like you
Title,
already got your
married, girlfriend,
title.
whatever.
Nah, you better slow your roll.
Okay.
No, you
I
gotta
feel like if you're married,
Yeah, step up.
No,
Yeah.
slow your roll. It's about both of us, not just you. Slow your roll.
but it doesn't give you, it says slow your roll. If you're saying slow your roll,
Yeah.
that means that you're leaving.
No.
Would you leave him for that, or would you just express to him that it's too much?
Okay, then why can't you compromise
Inside the
with?
house.
Why can't you compromise with my problems?
Okay, alright, so are you saying that you don't agree with any of these responses?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nah, I don't agree with any of them. Like, you have to compromise with me
Mm-hmm.
because we're together. And if you can't compromise with me, then you know what? Faire ou tout, et puis disparaît.
So you step up, team.
Step up, fetiche, got it.
If your exes formed a singing group, their name would be X Fake, Ragged Edge, Poetry, F Boys to Men.
Poetry at boy to men.
F Boys to Men.
No, because I'll never
Baby,
get into him.
can you stand
the lights.
oh, sunny?
Oh.
Pink slap during sex a turn off? A yes. B
Yo.
no, or C it depends.
Yo, you're not about to hit me.
Nope, it's not. Because that means they're gonna think they can smack you whenever.
You're not about to hit me. In my weakest moment.
No, but I like it. Yes! I go, alright, and then when they smack you up for no reason.
But it's only during that time though. I think it's okay.
They're gonna think.
Yo, you're not about to beat
Okay.
me up anytime.
Right.
It's not beating you up. It's like when they give you like a little tap.
No. Not the smacking.
No, no, you are not about to beat me up.
If it's, I'm not saying for them to give you a little collar, but
He's gonna be like this. No.
First off, you should not be one to smack your face.
Take your feet off the chair.
Anything.
Yo, smacking, choking, pulling my hair because you got a wig
Are
on.
you-
Do
what?
not do that.
oh no, then
Don't do that.
no, I'm with it.
You're not.
Maybe we can compromise the smacking, but everything else that you mentioned, yeah, but
Yo, no child should receive a plate before the meal of the house. Yo, my kids come first.
Right.
I don't even got kids. I'm about to go to jail.
I usually, I do a Haitian style. Like everybody, I already put plate out for everybody. It's not like, I don't
Children
know.
should eat first.
Listen, I think it's, say for instance, you go wash your dead with a man. When I'm separating the food, I bring it to my husband first. But and then, I'm gonna feed my kids. But it's not gonna be like, oh, I only have like 1-2 bowls in the fridge and I'm gonna give it to my husband, then figure out what my kids are gonna eat. No, I'm gonna feed them first. If that's it, I think it depends on the situation. Here, darling. Do one more picture and then we'll be done.
Easy, yeah, yeah, hey.
Bruh.
What makes a man instantly unattractive? Chest hair.
You don't like chest hair?
No.
I like a little babble.
Ew. If they have a beer belly looking like they're 18 months pregnant, goodbye.
Right. Jesus.
I'm still confused on why you don't like chest hair.
I don't.
I think that's just, I don't like it.
Yo, I
I'm
love.
not about to be laying on nobody's chest.
I'm just gonna be
Girl.
touching his hair like
Well done, meaning you got.
brown toenails. Yo, baby, wear socks. Like,
Yo, I'm letting you color your toenails.
my toenails are painted right now, and they're here when I go to the nail salon. Okay,
Now, the ones with the brown toenails be looking the best.
for real. The chocolate guy, nice eyes, brown toenails, nasty feet, fungus looking, good looking.
That's why he keeps socks on and he got the
Right.
slides on.
Nah.
He understands. And then we got a little water to buy the little drops to put in the feet. What's it called, darling?
You could put apple vinegar.
I asked you what it's called, like
Oh, you know
My
what? It's okay. It's okay. He is not a problem. I really don't know what makes the guy like. I think it has to do with his hair. That's really the problem. Like, you have to have your hair done.
Just to let everybody know where we're getting our questions from. For these wonderful game night cards, you guys should definitely check them out. They're called Mentally Stimulate Me cards. They're really fun, and we're just on the Instagram page because we're waiting for our cards to come in now. But I have a question that's not on this page. You know how women wear our lace fronts, our 360 wig. How about if your husband doesn't have any hair and he decides to wear one?
He's not my
Would
husband.
you accept him?
He's not my
Why are you looking away?
no, you better embrace that
Okay.
bald head.
So if he looks like the 112 Dalmatians, would you accept him? Or how about if he wants to?
Bald head, hair full of head full of hair. I don't care. Go
He's
put no
not.
Do you think it's fair for women to have bald edges, but we go and put the little lace front till our little peach fuzz starts growing back, and for them not to be able to do it?
It was made for women.
My man's not about to walk around with no frontal like this.
My man can wear if I
We
wear
go to the same salon to get our hair done.
if I wear a bikini, my man can wear a speedo. you know, but he cannot wear a lace front because I have a lace front on. What does that look like? What does that look like?
G-Man.
One day you going and then the next day you whipping her up for who? For who? Not for me.
Okay, how you going? How can you say that when you're Ashley today and then you're gonna be Maria tomorrow with the gray hair?
If I want to be Senora today and then Maria tomorrow, it's because I'm showing my man my different personalities, duh. The different aspects of being with me, duh.
Alright.
Now on the frontal for men.
Thank you guys for stopping by to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And please share this video. And if you guys like this video, we'll do more stuff together as a whole. Say hello to the little children that keep on interrupting us. And thank you guys again. Bye.